Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a night icon in Adobe Illustrator. Stay tuned until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, let's draw a crescent moon icon. Choose your color and use the ellipse tool to create two circles. The smaller circle should intersect with the larger one to form the crescent shape. We share all our vector files on our Patreon account. Support us by selecting a monthly package. Use the Pathfinder tool to trim unnecessary parts of the circles. Now, our moon icon is ready. Next, use the ellipse tool to draw a circle. Then the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle from the center of the circle. Select the right side of the rectangle with the selection tool and modify it into an oval shape. Our cloud icon is complete. Group the cloud icon with the moon. Your support is crucial. Visit the link below to support us on Patreon. Those interested in purchasing vectors can visit our store, where all vectors are free for Patreon supporters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Looking forward to your feedback.